Today we're going to be reacting to chicken nugget.
Something we love?
Oh, no, I didn't. No.
Pink left.
Jesus Christ. Ugh. Also credit to chicken nugget, I guess. I'm doing the shorts.
I'm vigilante.
You guys are really gonna stay in tonight? Come on, it's New Year's Eve. Let's party. Nah,
No.
we're gonna get cozy and relax back here. You go have fun.
Oh,
Treat
damn.
yourself. I'm gonna go wild.
Staying in was a good call.
Oh, yeah. Party time.
Ro was like, I need to look.
Oh, yeah. Party time. Hey, what? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year!
We are so sued.
Black is so.
Don't forget your jacket, sweetie. You need a jacket?
No, it's black.
Jesus.
Yay! Excuse me, you just looked at me aggressively.
Yeah, shit. Well,
Look at them celebrating together with gifts just because the big jolly jerk and I are
It's
sneaking
black.
church.
Everybody
I don't get
It's
any
you,
presents.
black.
Well, duh.
Time for the most
He's always
evil
an
prank
imposter.
of all.
He is
Let's see
always.
how festive
I am
we
so
feel
sued.
with
He's
you.
always.
Hot sauce? There you are. We missed you
Yellow,
at the party. Here, I got you a
vote.
gift. Sorry it's not
Good
much, but I figured you like watching anime with me this year, so...
Whatever. It's cool, I guess. Thanks.
You are.
What? Don't look at that.
What?
It's heartburn or
Bye-bye.
something. Ah!
Happy holidays, my little tsundere. Okay,
Oh, he was
last
a-
day before
he was a
holidays.
vigilante?
Let's crush this. Okay.
Can I light the candles this
Eight
year, Mom?
days of fire safety.
Suppose you're Mama. Oh, go ahead.
Why is the subtitles?
Just be careful not to burn yourself. Burn yourself. Burn yourself.
Fuck Queen.
Burn yourself.
Perfect.
Yo, could it be 10? Could it be 20 seconds to press the
Thanks,
cooldown?
Grammy.
20 seconds
The
to
goddamn goes.
Yeah,
Throwing away
20
my
seconds.
card from your dear apple.
Well, what if Santa's lactose intolerant?
Why is it doing these? I don't want. Oh god. What the frick?
Could you make the killers too? Make the imposters too. Could imposters be too?
I am legally. Oh, what?
Wait, let's wait until a little bit more.
Well, what if That's because it is real dairy milk, Santa. Just without the lactose. You learn something new every day.
How the heck? I like how
I'm
they
vigilante. I'm vigilante.
legally
I'm vigilante.
club with everything. I think they are
Saudi,
great
how's
also.
school? Fine.
I'm
How are you,
vigilante.
Fred? Fine.
Got a job yet?
Fine.
Any nice girls?
Fine.
Have you been drinking?
No,
Is
it's
one of those dogs for airplane?
Yeah, I
Oh Jesus.
will. Wait. Wait, guys.
Saudi, how's
It's
school?
blue.
Fine.
It's blue
How are
and
you,
yellow.
Fred?
It's blue and yellow. It's blue and
Well, I guess that's it for this episode. Yay! I'm trying to fix my thing. It's not all perfect, but whatever. It's still the thing that I'm gonna record on. So, good, I
Wait
guess.
a minute, guys.
Got this video
Volcano
uploading.
blue.